Have you got a 2020 or newer Jeep Gladiator JT and you've been looking for a low profile taillight? Well, look no further because Morimoto is launching their Low Pro XB taillight now. Featuring dual row horizontal 3D optics, these are going to be visible during night or day, and another key feature that's going to set these apart from other options on the market is that Morimoto opted to keep the BLIS or blind spot monitoring system's sensors in the same position as the OE, so the system functions just like it did originally. Some of those other options out there moved the sensors into a different location, and the performance of the blind spot monitoring was severely impacted. We didn't want to do that here with Morimoto. You've got a really bright reverse light, so as it is, it's going to be plenty to see and be seen when you're in reverse, but the taillights have an optional plug-and-play installation opportunity for the backup light boost bar by Morimoto as well to maximize that light output when in reverse. We've got two options available for you in both a smoked and a red lens option, so you can pick which fits your truck the best. You've got a true plug-and-play install from the fitment to the wiring, all backed by a 5-year warranty, so you can't go wrong. Come with me while we get these installed. Lower the tailgate and locate the two 8mm screws that secure the taillight to the truck and remove those bolts. With the two bolts removed, pull the taillight away from the body of the vehicle. Pull back the red tab on the taillight plug to unlock the connector, then press down on the black tab and pull to unplug the light. Set the factory taillight face down on a workbench. It is recommended to place it on a microfiber towel or a soft work mat to prevent scratching the lens. Using a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 6 screws that secure the radar mounting bracket to the housing. Pry outwards on the 4 plastic tabs securing the radar to the bracket and remove the radar. With the radar removed, pull back on the red clip to unlock the connector, then press down on the black tab to pull and unplug the light. Set the factory light and radar to the side. Take the new tail light and place it face down on your workbench, removing the 3 screws that secure the tail light mounting bracket to the housing. Pull the bracket off of the housing and set it aside. Pass the radar wiring through the radar bracket and plug the harness into the radar. Press the red lock tab into the locked position. Clip the radar into the radar bracket. Make sure all 4 of the plastic clips are locked in around the radar. Place the radar and the radar bracket into the taillight assembly and reinstall the 3 Phillips head screws. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the 2 mounting clips off the factory taillight. Slide the mounting clips onto the tabs onto the new taillight. Repeat these steps on the other taillight. Remove the 2 screws securing the license plate. Place the backup light boost bar over the license plate mounting holes and reinstall the license plate screws. Moving underneath the truck, route the boost bar wiring back to the existing wiring harness on the back side of the bumper, and begin routing it all along the harness towards the right side of the vehicle. Route the wire up to the corner of the bed sign. Route the harness up through the hole in the bottom of the taillight cavity. Connect the factory taillight harness to the new taillight assembly and move the red tab forward to the locked position. Attach one of the provided magnet mount resistors in the taillight cavity. Remove the cap from the corresponding plug on the taillight and connect the resistor to the light. Connect the boost bar harness to the taillight as well if you're installing that boost bar. Fit the new taillight into the taillight cavity and push it into place. Install the 2 provided 8mm bolts to secure the taillight to the vehicle. Repeat these steps on the other side, then get in the vehicle and test all functions to ensure the taillights are functioning properly. Head on over to morimotolighting.com to get yours now.